tó mo tún kí ẹ̀yin akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ pé ẹ káàbọ̀ sí gbàgede èdè Yorùbá pẹ̀lú ọ̀gbẹ́ni Taiwo. This is where we teach ourselves how to speak and how to write Yoruba language. Once again, my name is ọ̀gbẹ́ni Taiwo. Kí ni ohun tí a fẹ́ ṣiṣẹ́ lé lórí lónìí? Ọ̀rọ̀ arọ́pò orúkọ ẹ̀yọ̀, that is singular pronouns, singular pronouns. So we are going to explain what a pronoun means, and basically our attention will be on singular pronouns today. All right, what are the objectives for today's class? The objectives for today's class is to enable us to know the meaning of a pronoun, láti lè mọ ìtumọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ arọ́pò orúkọ. We will also cite various examples of pronouns, and I will also explain the use of those pronouns in a sentence. All right, now what is the meaning of a pronoun? A sọ pé ọ̀rọ̀ arọ́pò orúkọ túmọ̀ sí ọ̀rọ̀ tí à ń lò dípò ọ̀rọ̀ orúkọ. That means any words we can use to replace a noun is referred to as pronouns, and we can divide them into three particular areas. The first is ọ̀rọ̀ arọ́pò orúkọ ẹyọ, the singular pronoun. Second is ọ̀rọ̀ arọ́pò orúkọ ọ̀pọ̀, plural pronoun. And the third is ọ̀rọ̀ arọ́pò orúkọ ipò, that is possessive pronoun. Now we want to explain the meaning of a singular pronoun. What is the meaning of singular pronouns? Ìyẹn ni arọ́pò ẹyọ. All right, and we have ẹnì kíní, ẹnì kejì, ẹnì kẹta, ẹnì kíní, ẹnì kejì àti ẹnì kẹta. Now we have a pronoun in a subject position, likewise in object position. Ìyẹn ni ọ̀rọ̀ arọ́pò orúkọ ní ipò olùwà àti ní ipò ààbọ̀. Don't forget I explained that we have a pronoun in a singular, we also have it in plural, and likewise in possessive pronoun. But today we are looking at the singular aspect. All right, ọ̀rọ̀ arọ́pò orúkọ, that is a pronoun in the position of a subject, only I in English language. I ní Yorùbá ìyẹn túmọ̀ sí èmi. We can also use mo for I. That means I means èmi or mo, and it can function as a subject. Tó bá ṣe ní ipò ààbọ̀, that is the object, ìyẹn ni me ní èdè òyìnbó, that is me in English language. And also if you want to translate me in Yoruba, that will be me. Don't worry, I'm going to give you examples to clarify all this. I means èmi or mo, while me means me. Okay, tó bá ṣe ní ipò ẹnì kejì, that is you, ìwọ. And also in an object position, you means ẹ. All right, ẹnì kẹta, third person singular pronoun, that is he, she. Sometimes we use it also, it. So ọ̀rọ̀ wa la máa ń lò. Which words can we use for this in Yoruba language? That is o. You can take note of the tonation on that. O, mi, o ti lọ, o wá. So I'm still going to explain this further. So before I go to the next page, I means èmi or mo. Me me. You, ìwọ, and he or she means o. Alright, now examples of mo or èmi in a sentence. Alright, we can say I am going. I am going, meaning mo ń lọ, or èmi ń lọ. I am going, mo ń lọ, or èmi ń lọ. I want to sleep. Mo fẹ́ sùn. Or we can say èmi fẹ́ sùn. Don't forget I can mean mo or èmi. I have 2 books. Mo ní ìwé méjì. Or èmi ní ìwé méjì. That is I. First person singular, I. Now second person singular, you, ìwọ. You, ìwọ. You are going, ìwọ ń lọ. You want to sleep, ìwọ fẹ́ sùn. You have 2 books, ìwọ ní ìwé méjì. Second person singular. Third person singular, he or she. We use the same words for he or she, Yoruba language. He or she means ó ń lọ. He is going. Whether you are talking about a man or a woman, a male or female rather. He is going, ó ń lọ. She is going, ó ń lọ. She wants to sleep, ó fẹ́ sùn. He has 2 books, ó ní ìwé méjì. That's third person singular. Alright, now we want to see the singular object in the position of objects. Ọ̀rọ̀ arọ́pò orúkọ ní ipò ààbọ̀. Me. You know I said the other time, me means me. Give me the books, meaning fún mi ní ìwé náà. Teach me the song, kọ́ mi ní orin náà. Carry me, gbé mi. Me here is singular pronoun but in the position of an object. Ọ̀rọ̀ arọ́pò orúkọ ní ipò ààbọ̀. Ààbọ̀, yes. Now, second person singular but in the position of an object. That is ẹ. I will give you. Èmi, don't forget I say I can mean èmi or mo. I will give you. Èmi máa fún ẹ. Adé will beat you. Adé máa nà ẹ́. I have given you. Mo ti fún ẹ. Mo ti fún ẹ. Ẹ is standing for you in the position of an object. Alright. Him and her means òun. Òun. Examples. I know him. Èmi mọ òun. She will give him or her. Ó máa fún òun. The teacher is teaching him. Olùkọ́ ń kọ́ òun. Here, him and her means òun, and they are in the position of an object in these sentences. Now, first person singular, but in the possessive pronoun. First person possessive pronoun. Now, my means me. My book, ìwé mi. My shoe, bàtà mi. My house, ilé mi, and so on like that. But I want you to take note that the noun comes first in the above sentences. For example, ilé is house. Mi means my. So instead of saying my house, mi ilé, no. You will say ilé mi. That ilé will come before my when you are translating to Yoruba. That's why we have ilé mi as my house. Okay? Mine, that means tèmi. These are possessive pronouns. Tèmi means mine. This book is mine. Tèmi ni ìwé náà. The shoe is mine. Tèmi ni bàtà náà, and so on. Alright, second person singular possession. Second person singular, these are possessive pronouns but in the second person. Your, that is re. Your book, bàtà rẹ. Re, bàtà rẹ. Your house, ilé rẹ. Please take note of that, re. And if you are using yours, the book is yours. Tìrẹ ni ìwé náà. Tìrẹ ni ìwé náà. The house is yours. Tìrẹ ni ilé náà. All right, you can take note that re means yours, but here where we have is and her, that is still re, that is down tonation, yours, him or her. I believe you have taken note of that. Okay, the summary of our class today, we have explained the meaning of a pronoun as words we can use to replace a noun, and I've explained to you what a singular subject, what they mean in Yoruba. For example, I, you, he, she, it. Also, we have explained and cited various examples of ọ̀rọ̀ arọ́pò orúkọ ní ipò ẹyọ, singular object, that is me, you, him, her. Ọ̀rọ̀ arọ́pò orúkọ ní ipò ẹnìkíní, first person singular, in possessive pronoun, that is my and mine. Ní ipò ẹnìkejì, you and yours. Ní ipò ẹnìkẹta, his and her. And I want you to know that there are also plural pronouns, and that will be taken care of in our next class. Plural pronouns. Today we are focusing on the singular pronouns, and next class will be on plural pronoun. So these are an assignment for you. I want you to translate this to Yoruba. I am eating. Hi, you can use emi or mo. I am eating. What does that mean in Yoruba? You are sleeping, and so on and so forth. I'll be expecting your answers. So next week, continue on the plural pronoun. Thank you, and God bless you.